In a surprising move that's shaking up the AI world, DeepSeek R10528 has just dropped, and it's already being compared to giants like GPT-4 Turbo and Gemini 2.5 Pro. With a massive 671 billion parameter MOE architecture, this open-source model is delivering elite-level performance in reasoning, math, code generation, and creative writing at zero cost. Developers are calling it one of the most powerful free AI models ever released. 100% of people watching this have an opinion, so hit like and tell us in the comments. Could DeepSeek actually rival the best in the game? DeepSeek R10528 isn't just another open-source release. It's a massive model with 671 billion total parameters running on a mixture of experts, MOE architecture. That means only 128 billion parameters are active per forward pass, delivering top-tier performance while remaining computationally efficient. This design allows DeepSeek to perform like GPT-4 Turbo and Gemini 2.5 Pro in real-world benchmarks, while maintaining the open-access nature that developers love. The model's architecture is based on DeepSeek V2, but with fine-tuning improvements that supercharge its reasoning, multilingual understanding, and creative output. It supports a 128K context window, handles multi-turn conversations with ease, and has demonstrated strong coding skills, from game logic to full-stack applications. Best of all, DeepSeek R10528 is not a locked platform. It's freely available through OpenRouter API, Hugging Face, and DeepSeek's own chatbot interface. Whether you're building agents, coding apps, or exploring research, this model is designed for both power and accessibility. This isn't just an experimental model. It's ready to compete with the best. And it's changing what people expect from open-source AI. What's truly turning heads is how DeepSeek R10528 performs against industry giants like GPT-4, Turbo, and Gemini 2.5 Pro, and holds its ground. Despite being open source and free to use, DeepSeek R1 scores competitively across a wide range of benchmark tasks, especially in reasoning, math, common sense, and coding. In real-world applications, DeepSeek has successfully generated complex systems like CRM dashboards, 3D games, and SaaS landing pages, complete with working code and UI layouts. On coding tasks, it can understand multi-step logic, write clean scripts, and debug errors with minimal instruction. These capabilities rival what's expected from closed commercial models without the paywall. What's more impressive is the model's fluency in multi-turn conversations. Unlike many large models that struggle to maintain context, DeepSeek handles long conversations with consistent memory and task relevance. That's crucial for developers building chat-based tools or AI agents that need coherence across sessions. It also includes strong multilingual support, making it suitable for a global developer base. And the fact that it works out of the box with platforms like Hugging Face, OpenRouter, and tools like Klein makes integration seamless. While GPT-4 Turbo and Gemini 2.5 Pro still dominate commercial performance and ecosystem scale, DeepSeek R10528 proves that open-source models are closing the gap fast. And for coders, researchers, and entrepreneurs who want full control without vendor lock-in, DeepSeek offers something invaluable: freedom with power. DeepSeek R10528 isn't just making noise in benchmarks, it's showing serious promise in practical, everyday AI tasks that matter to developers, startups, and AI researchers. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its ability to build fully functional applications with minimal human prompting. Whether it's generating code for CRM dashboards, designing SaaS landing pages, or constructing 3D game environments, DeepSeek R1 doesn't just spit out text. It builds, reasons, and iterates like a real coding assistant. Its performance in structured reasoning and step-by-step problem-solving makes it highly suitable for workflows that require logical breakdowns, including debugging, code commenting, and multi-layered task execution. Unlike many models that perform well in isolated benchmarks but falter in integrated workflows, DeepSeek R1 maintains consistency over time. It retains context, responds with clarity, and adapts its responses based on previous turns in a conversation, all critical features for advanced AI use cases. From a deployment standpoint, DeepSeek R1 is incredibly developer-friendly. It's available on OpenRouter API, fully hosted on Hugging Face, and works within coding environments through Klein, an IDE assistant built to extend its real-world use. This means users can directly integrate the model into their own tools and workflows, with no paywalls, no API tokens, and full transparency. It also excels in natural language understanding, supporting multilingual input and multimodal expansion in future iterations. For global users building across languages and regions, this adaptability makes DeepSeek R1 a valuable long-term foundation. But what really sets DeepSeek apart is its openness. While GPT-4 Turbo and Gemini 2.5 Pro offer phenomenal performance, their APIs and outputs are locked behind commercial infrastructure. DeepSeek flips that model by making state-of-the-art capabilities free and modifiable. Developers can explore, fine-tune, and even build products on top of DeepSeek R1 without needing enterprise contracts or cloud dependencies. This open-source momentum is more than a trend. It's a shift. DeepSeek R10528 shows that community-led AI development isn't just catching up. It's innovating in real time. It's democratizing access to intelligence, empowering builders everywhere, and giving people outside of big tech the tools to compete at the highest levels. For anyone watching the evolution of AI unfold, one thing is clear. DeepSeek R1 isn't just impressive. It's a signal that open-source AI is here to stay. With the release of DeepSeek R10528, the AI landscape has officially changed. We're no longer in an era where only multi-billion-dollar companies can build cutting-edge models. DeepSeek has proven that open-source projects can match, and in some cases rival, the performance of commercial giants like GPT-4 Turbo and Gemini 2.5 Pro. What makes this so important isn't just the model's raw capability. It's what DeepSeek represents: freedom, accessibility, and innovation without paywalls or corporate restrictions. It gives coders, creators, researchers, and small teams the power to build and iterate with the same quality tools used by big tech, but with far more flexibility. With 671 billion parameters, a sparse MOE architecture, and support for long-form reasoning, coding, and multilingual interaction, DeepSeek R1 is not just about what it can do today, it's about what it's enabling for tomorrow. This is the kind of model that lowers the barrier to entry for advanced AI development, while pushing the capabilities of what open platforms can achieve. And as it continues to improve, especially with integrations like OpenRouter, Hugging Face, and IDE support through Klein, it's setting the standard for how future AI models will be accessed, evaluated, and applied in real-world environments. If you're a developer, a startup, or just someone interested in the future of AI, DeepSeek R10528 is something you need to be watching, because this isn't just another model drop, it's a movement. So here's the big question for you. Will open-source AI like DeepSeek replace the closed models, or will they coexist? Drop your thoughts in the comments. 100% of viewers have a take on this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because this is just the beginning of a new generation of open, powerful, and community-driven AI.